In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out or withdraw Ethereum from Trust Wallet. If you've been holding ETH inside Trust Wallet and now want to turn it into real money in your bank account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. So let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app and check your balance. In this example, let's say you have some Ethereum you'd like to withdraw. If your crypto is in another token, you may want to swap it inside Trust Wallet for Ethereum or Bitcoin first, because those coins are the easiest to withdraw to exchanges. Now, the key thing to understand is that Trust Wallet by itself doesn't let you cash out directly to a bank account. Instead, you need to send your Ethereum to a crypto exchange that supports selling ETH for your local currency. A very popular option is Coinbase, but you can also use Binance, Kraken, or another trusted exchange. Let's walk through Coinbase as an example. Download the Coinbase app and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, go to the bottom menu, tap Transfer, then select Receive Crypto. Choose Ethereum as the coin you want to receive, and copy your ETH deposit address. Make sure you select the Ethereum network, since sending to the wrong network could cause you to lose your funds. Next, head back to your Trust Wallet. Tap on Ethereum, then tap Send. Paste the Coinbase deposit address you just copied. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, or tap Max if you'd like to send it all. Double check the address carefully, because once you send it, the transaction cannot be reversed. After confirming, approve the transfer. Keep in mind there will be a small Ethereum network fee. After a few minutes, your Ethereum should arrive inside your Coinbase account. Once it's there, you can sell your ETH for your local currency. Just go to Buy and Sell, select Ethereum, tap Sell, and choose the amount you want. The funds will move into your fiat wallet inside Coinbase. The final step is withdrawing that fiat money into your bank account. Go back to the transfer option, select Withdraw Cash, choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and confirm. Depending on your bank, the money can arrive within minutes to a couple of business days. And that's it. That's how you cash out or withdraw Ethereum from Trust Wallet into real money you can spend. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.